Hey guys, so this is a real quick one. Keep getting a lot of questions on this one, even though the hint I thought gave it away. This is that one problem, number 11, on bottles on the wall. Got my skeleton set up. I've got my import, even though I'm not using it this time. So here's the thing. Write code using a while loop and a loop variable to produce the following output. 1, -1, 2, -2, 3, -3, 4, -3, all the way up to -8. The hint that I gave you was I never said you could only print one number at a time. That's an assumption you made because all the other codes work that way. But in this case, we're going to print two numbers at a time. So I do need a loop variable. So we'll just start, we'll go I is 1, and then I'll have a while loop. While I is less than 9. Okay? And I get brackets because I'm going to be doing a couple of different things inside this loop. Main thing, print statement. Okay. And I'm going to upkeep my value. Okay. Now, each line, so first off, it's a print statement because I know I'm all on one line here. I is my variable, so I'm printing I and then -I, and then I'm incrementing each time. So there's a couple of different ways to do this. Most of them have been one of these two. There are other ways, but these are the most popular. So, all right. And then, all right, so one method would be to just make this a negative value. So you can go -1 times I. That works just fine. It's just in the print statement, so it's not affecting our counting variable. It's just on each line, so that's just what happens, and we're good there. That's a solution. It does need the parentheses because Java will throw that weird kind of error if you have math without parentheses. It doesn't know to do the math first. So that's just a safety measure. Another way of doing it is to take the math out entirely and just make it visual. So right here where I'm printing the space, I just also print a hyphen to make it a negative sign, both of which will give us the exact same result. One is the literal number change, the other is just cosmetic. For this, it's just a print statement anyway, so I don't actually need to use that value, so either version works. And that's it. So let's take a quick look, and I guess I can run it in both formats. Okay, so here is the cosmetic change. Okay, and then if I put the math back, -1 times, there we go, I. Same thing. And I get the same result. Okay? Hope that helps.